All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. Now, I was up watching the gold and silver price before the opening bell, just thinking, all right, the price is going up. There's no way, somehow, some way, it's gonna go down after the opening bell. Something's gonna happen. And honestly, it slightly fell as the Dow and S&P both headed further south, but soon after, gold and silver just rebounded, dusted off their shoulders, and went back up. So what exactly is going on this Monday morning? Find out shortly. But first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit the like button. It helps to get this economic evangelism out there to the masses to bring more people into precious metals. Okay. So let's take a look at some safe havens first. So the dollar is just below 96. Earlier today, it was, it broke above 96. Now it's just a little bit below 96. It's still up 0.2% from where it started, but still not looking good for the dollar. But generally, it was trending upward, showing a little bit of some safe haven behavior, and this is all the while the Japanese yen has also started to head up higher as well. So a little bit of some safe haven behavior. In addition to that, the US 10-year Treasury note is also just heading further and further southward, and it's getting a lot of buy-in as the yield is going down. So generally you can tell we're having a bit of a risk-off kind of morning on this Monday. So let's take a look at where our favorite safe havens are right now. So obviously our favorite ones are gold and silver on this channel. If you didn't know that, you're on the wrong kind of channel here. But obviously, gold and silver both have some nice momentum today. And if I had to pick a winner between the two, between gold and silver, it would definitely be silver today. I mean, just take a look. It's 2.22% above where it began. It's just been just this nice upward movement. Gold has been a little bit shakier, a little bit choppier today, though it has been ascending. And as you can see here, yes, you are not misreading. We are getting really, really close to that $20 level. And this is extremely wild because, I mentioned this over the weekend. I think it was on Sunday, if you saw that video, that we don't really have much major economic data coming out today. And I mentioned that because of that, there might be a possibility of not much getting in the way of gold and silver's momentum. And it looks like investors are taking that as an opportunity and taking advantage of this. Now, why do I talk about investors specifically? Well, check this out. So this is SLV. And for those of you who don't know, SLV is one of the largest silver ETFs. And take a look around here. Now, look at the date and the time. So this was Friday, last Friday. Volume was roughly around the 400 million, starting to edge up a little bit more and more. 1.6 million. I'm sorry, not 400 million. There's 500,000, 700,000, 800,000, 1 million, 1.6 million, and 4.07 million by the end as the price was ticking downward. Now, take a look at the volume this morning. Monday, July 20th, 9:30, 5.97 million. That spike is insane. And right when that happened, look at that price right there for SLV. It just jumped from where it was. It was at 18, and then it jumped to 18.275, and then It continued to go up, 1835, and now it's at 1845.5. It's back down below the million mark, but even though it is back below that million mark, it's still relatively high, given that on Friday we were kind of in the mid 100,000s or hundreds of thousands, and now we're at like 700,000 in the halfway through the 10 o'clock hour. So that's pretty wild. But this momentum is telling me that investors have played a huge role in today's ascent in silver. I mean, again, take a look. Right around 9:30, you have this huge inflow of volume coming into silver SLV. Now take a look at the silver price. Start to make this huge ascent. So definitely, I think investors are helping bring the silver price up today, and I hope that we get to $20 this morning, but or sometime today. But guys, that was your Monday morning report. If we do get to $20 an ounce before this video goes up, let's just celebrate in the comments section. I won't have time to make another video, but let's celebrate in the comment section if we do hit $20 today. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. It's Black Bullion.